What we do here is go back.
Welcome to our new video. Today our topic is XJD Kids Bike Helmet Toddler Helmet Kids Sport Protective Gear Set. About this item. Kids multi-sports protective gear for 3 to 8 years old boys girls. Adjustable child helmet. The Toddler helmet designed for kids 5 to 8 years old. Helmet and head circumference 20.07-21.26 51 to 54 centimeters, please according to head circumference and choose. Impact resistance. This scooter helmet used ABS outer shell plus high density EPS inner shell, thick and soft sponge, comfortable and durable. Protective gear made of tough and durable PE materials with breathable polyester sleeves. These make the child enjoy the sports experiences with safety protection to their head, knee, elbow and wrist.
It's caught in the crossfire.